I'm Coach Bill from Coach Bill Pickleball. Welcome to an interesting pickleball rally breakdown. Is this legal or illegal? Here is a full video of the rally in real time all the way through. Was this legal? I'll take a look at the rules to make the determination and also take a look at what would have been better options for my team. Let's get into it. Here are the rules regarding the ball bouncing back over the net on its own. Rule 11I is about plane of the net. Crossing the plane of the net prior to striking the ball is a fault. Rule 11I1 is an exception. It says you can go over to the other side of the net to get a ball blown by wind or that spins back over the net. You must wait till the ball goes over to the other side of the net first, though. Rule 11.L.4 is about the net. If a player hits a ball over the net into an opponent's court, then the ball bounces back over the net and bounces a second time without being touched by the opponent. The striking player wins the rally. This clip is from the 2024 Veolia Desert Ridge Open on the PPA Tour. It's the Johns brothers versus DeVilliers and Newell. Newell hit almost the exact same ball that Ann did in our game, and the camera angle is also very similar. Here it is in slow motion. Ball came over the net, hit almost the exact same spot, bounced up, and also heading back over the net. You can see here that Ben is already over the net, crossing the plane before the ball does. He hits a sharp angle and puts it away. Called a net plane violation on him. Even after the video challenge, the Johns end up losing the point because Ben was over the net before the ball. Okay, let's walk through this rec point rally to see what happened and what we could have done better. Starts with a serve right in the middle of the court. Little return right in the middle. Regular play back and forth. And then Dorothy gets a good smash. It's going very high and has a lot of spin on it. Right here, I'm still not sure if the ball's going to be in or not. It's pretty close to the line and it's pretty close to the net. The ball ends up in and has a lot of backspin on it. So it starts heading back over the net. I know at this point that I have to get the ball, otherwise it's going to bounce over the net and they're going to get the point if I'm not able to touch it. So I go and try to smash one down. It ends up being an awkward hit because it was much further forward than I anticipated. And I don't really get a good swing at it. And then my momentum carries me all the way onto their side. Ann's able to get the ball back here into a very good spot on the other side of the kitchen, almost out again. I was there looking to see whether the ball was going to be out, and I could have been running back to my spot while I was doing that a little faster. So I was a little slow here. Ball bounces in, and Dorothy tracks it down. Here's a very unusual situation where she's hitting the ball and both of us are off the court while she's hitting it. That I don't think that I've seen before. Right here, we're both off the court. So here, with us both off the court, it would have been better for Dorothy to just drop one in the kitchen right to the middle, reset the ball, get it to bounce, give us some time to get back. But she ends up getting it all the way to Ann, who takes it out of the air and is able to beat us down the middle before we can recover. So looking at this, I was not over the net, never touched the net, never went onto their side, so I'm going to say this is a legal play. But what I could have done was I could have earned this, but I wasn't sure about whether it was going to be in or out, so I didn't want to earn it. I could have waited a little longer and hit the ball sideways like Ben did with his, but then you risk what he did is going over on their side too early. So this is a tricky play. Have you had anything similar happen to you? Let me know if you agree that this was legal or not in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.